a puzzle.
That's my chair.
That's your chair, I know. Crazy Kate.
Kate.
She's crazy.
My chair.
Oh, it's your chair. What's next?
Take my chair.
Come on, Kate.
Also, before.
Okay.
Oh.
There you go. Good job. It's an
You
oval.
was wrong.
That one's a diamond. Like a diamond in the sky. Good job. Good.
Yeah, go.
There you go. Where's that one go? There it is. Need help?
No.
No? You got it? You gotta put it down though or it won't go in. Yeah. Now push this bit down a little. There. Good job.
Which one?
Which one?
Which?
That one's a triangle.
Oh.
Well, there you go. Gotta move it down a little. There. Perfect. Good job.
Yeah.
You did it.
Yay. Start with it.
Yeah, the star's right there. Yeah. Oh, Kate, what are you saying down there? Are you talking? She's being crazy back there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. What's next? A circle. Nope. A circle doesn't have sides.
Oh.
There we go. Good job.
Which one?
Which one is that one? Is that a rectangle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Octagon.
Ah.
You going to say octagon, Kate? Good job, Boo Boo. Yay! You want it to sit flat, I know. I'm going to keep working on it, hey? Good job! Yay, Emma! Yay!